Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to stop Pinterest emails. So if you're annoyed by those emails, I'll show you an easy fix, okay? So come right here at the bottom of the left panel. You'll see the settings card. Click on this for more options and then come here and click on settings, okay? Now, right here on this page, what you want to go ahead and do, so we'll wait for this to load up first. Here we go. We'll come here and click on notifications. Okay. So now here under notifications, you want to go ahead and scroll down and you will see other areas where we have email on. Okay. I want to come click here and toggle off the email. I do not want emails for these. And this one as well, I do not need emails for. So anything you do not want emails for, you can go ahead and toggle all of them off. Okay. We'll do it for this one as well. And these, of course, I do not want them, right? So go ahead and toggle these off. And in the end, once you are satisfied, come here and click on save. All right, there we go, guys. And it's really that easy and simple.